It's New England Botanical Gardens.
In the spring.
In the spring, let's see. I see a lot of daffodils. Daffodils. Pretty daffodils. Nice and yellow.
Look fake, don't they?
Yeah.
They're so pretty.
We got some Pennsylvania sedge.
There's more up here.
I really like when they put all the signs out.
Right?
I mean, they can see what things are. Beyond Blue Fescue. Things are just popping up. Look at all the baby ones.
Oh, I've never seen those little ones before.
What are they?
Dakota burgundy.
Well, you don't know. That could be the bush
Oh.
next to it.
I don't know.
Because it says burgundy. These things aren't burgundy.
That must have been those little things behind it. That's what we have growing. This must be what these are. Those are kind of little, like those ones.
Hydrangea.
No, that's the hydrangea.
Yeah.
Huh, I don't know. Maybe they label it. Isn't that pretty?
That is
Oh,
pretty.
Look, they have the rose of Sharon. Isn't that the rose of Sharon?
This is goat's beard.
This can't be right. It's something else.
It must be the ground
I think we
coverage.
should plant one of those in our yard. Aren't they pretty? I just love that.
Yeah.
Those are so pretty. There's like, that orange is almost unbelievable.
They look fake.
I know. Can't believe that color is in nature. It's like so bright. I love it.
Did you guys have plants?
Let's see what this looks like. Smells like they're cooking. Well, apparently they got some kind of potion class for the kids. I thought there was a map.
I think there's one when you can go ask them for it.
Sorcery. I did a class in there.
If you live closer, you could
Yeah. Oh, that is. Interesting for the kids.
Why you want to do it?
Yeah. I think I remember last time we had to take a picture of the map, right?
Yeah. I can't. Oh, she tell you they don't have it?
No,
you
she
can
was busy.
download the map.
Yeah.
Can we do that?
Yeah. We
Or
should.
should I get a picture? I remember in the summer, this was all lit up, remember? I mean, this was all
Look at them all.
colorful.
I can walk through there.
Go there. Why do we go this way?
Because I want to do the Tower Hill, and then we come back and go
Okay.
the Garden of Inspiration.
And that is why I didn't understand that. Because I knew we were going to be taking this walk.
Yeah.
What do you right or left?
Let's go left.
Oh, it's paved. I just love it.
It's soft. It's like a track.
Yeah.
It's cushiony.
This would be a nice place if you live closer. You get a membership and go for a little run. This
Yeah.
just takes you around the bathrooms, I think. Other bathrooms aren't so bad. Maybe we should have waited.
Yeah. This is the hardest trail.
I think they don't recommend it for older people.
Yeah, you can. This is
They're
an
balanced.
ankle twister if you're old, or which we almost are.
I'm not. You are.
625 feet to the tower. Let's see. Yeah, a little rough. So you can here see the whole layout. Not sure where. Not sure. I think it circles around. Yep.
Oh,
Six-
so bad.
641 feet.
What did you do when you got there?
Wachusett River Reservoir.
Pretty. I can sit down so I don't twist my ankle.
Yeah. This must be Wachusett Reservoir.
Oh, you definitely come up here in the fall, huh?
Yeah.
This would be a good place. That's a pretty sight. Can you imagine your house on this hill?
Yeah.
And you look out your kitchen window and it looks like this.
That would be amazing. Yeah, it circles around. These roots. I want to trip down there.
What's the outside bathroom look like? It looks so pretty.
It does look nice.
I know. I guess you could pick whichever one you want. There's no
Vacant.
There's no.
Let's see the quality. It's all right. Serviceable.
It's really pretty here.
Yeah, I really respect the cushioned walkways.
I know, right?
That makes it very nice. Very nice.
Hello.
Sitting area. Ooh. Look at the flowers.
Oh, I love those baby ones. They're so cute.
This is where we came from, the daffodils.
Yeah. You can pack a lunch maybe, huh?
Yeah. Take some to eat up here. They must have presentations here. Honey locusts. No climbing rocks in this area.
I love all the daffodils.
Yeah. Daffodils are out.
Sign of spring.
I wonder how much time it took to plant all these bulbs.
It's a lot of people planting one at a time. I bet they plant more every year.
Mm.
And it just keeps building.
David.
And they'll come back forever. Like they'll just keep coming back.
Yeah.
We should plant more, huh? The only bad thing I hate about them is that when they die off, you have to clean them up.
Yeah.
But they are so pretty. It sure makes you excited when winter's over. And
Yeah, thank God. The cold is over.
oh, look at it down there.
Oh, yeah.
That's really.
That's going to be amazing. Little fun activity for the kids. Oh, my back. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Ooh. It's a little peeking window.
Did you make it?
Oh, God.
Are you too old for this?
This is rough.
I can't believe you did that.
I'm still young, damn it.
I'll pass. I know my age.
Oh, God.
Good.
Oh, my back. I did it. I'm still young. Fire pit, maybe?
Don't they make music or something?
So you can probably bang on it.
Which one? This one or this one?
Oh, someone. There you go.
Oh, I guess you did it once. So hit the other one. Hit that one.
Oh, look, I'll go
My
down the
thing
whole
doesn't
this.
reach. Look at that. They should have chairs on it.
Yeah.
That's what we never leave, probably. They should have like a little tea. They sell tea over here. Like a tea.
Little rock garden. This one's really nice. It's popping up nicely. I like the white with the yellow, not with the orange. Are they doing a seance? Walk down this way.
Flower club. Those pretty purple.
It smells amazing. It smells like flowers.
What are those called? Do you remember you planted those
Are they
ones?
gladiolas or something?
Yes. The deer like them.
Yeah, the deer eat them. Let's see. That's
They probably all name the song.
because common hyacinth.
Oh yeah.
Maybe that's it. Oh, fields of daffodils. You can walk down in there.
Now that's a lot of daffodils. I'm gonna go over there.
Fields of daffodils. Acres and acres of daffodils.
Wanted to go down the pathway.
Should I go down?
Sure. Lots and lots of flowers. Let's go around that way. Here's the inner park walk. Palmer W. Bigelow, Jr., Inner Park. I don't understand the fascination with those beards back then.
It's very Amish.
Hmm.
It was in style.
Oak Hickory Forest, 50 years. White Pine, last 10 years.
It was in style.
Alright, so the rambles to the left. Let's go to the Folly. Some ruins here. Folly. In memory of Robert R. J. from his wife Tay Ann. May the road rise to meet you. May the wind be always at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face. The rains fall safe upon your fields. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the hollow of his hand. You love me enough to construct a monument to me when I die?
Unfortunately, I'm broke.
Yeah.
I won't have the funds for you. I'll have to raise them.
Should we carve our name on the pole? Looks like they're building something over there. The chemtrail. Must be building some kind of hut or something. That'll be cool. This reminds me of when my school went on like a Indian, you know, in Connecticut. They had those Pequot trails and like Indian villages.
Cool.
Friendship urn. This urn is a replica of the one originally displayed at Hestercombe House in Taunton, England. It was designed to honor two great English landscape garden designers and friends, Henry Hoare of Stourhead and Sir Charles Tint of Halswell. Nice. What is this? Like a wetlands or something. Yeah. We're getting near the pond. Doesn't look like much from down here, but it looks like more from up there. Wildlife Refuge Pond. Red-winged blackbirds nest in these cattails. Must be their call.
It's starting to sprout.
Starting to sprout. That must be their call.
You think that's the red-winged blackbird?
Maybe, I don't know. Should we go to the shade garden?
Yeah, but I think it comes up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that comes.
I think last time it was bit up by a bunch of mosquitoes
Yeah.
or something. This is Weston's pink diamond, which is a rhododendron, which I think you can make a poison out of that for some
Oh, really?
reason, yeah.
Possible. There's some white stuff. Okay, we got fairy bugs.
Hey, look, there's a random mailbox.
Should we look in it?
Sure.
Scan here for more about Hello Spring.
Must be able to leave stuff there.
Looks like reading material. We'll leave it.
There's no pictures. What's that?
We used to do, when the kids were little, I used to do nature studies with them. When we'd come out, we'd draw what we see when they were little.
Yeah.
And then you would research everything about that plant. And it's really a good way to learn. I learned all about a dandelion. Apparently they're real cool. And you can make coffee from the roots.
Oh.
Oh, those are so pretty. Look at these.
Brandywine, hellebore, the moss steps. As I recall, you used to be able to walk up these.
You think so? I thought there was another section.
It's uphill. Ugh.
If I was really rich, I'd go shopping all the
This one goes way off into nowhere.
That's the long trail.
I'm not doing that one. Let's go back. Let's head back this way. See, Orchard Visitor Center. Go left.
There's another little house that we see. There's more.
And we'll break out into fields. I remember in the summer these are all blooming with stuff too.
Yeah.
This is the orchard. They trimmed them back a lot.
Yeah.
Maybe I haven't trimmed ours back enough.
This is so little though. I think, why did they trim them so much though?
I don't know.
Maybe it's a new orchard.
Gardens are just, hey look, there's asparagus is popping up too.
Oh, yeah.
Chives.
There's a white tree.
Isn't that a sight, huh? The petals are falling. Yeah. What kind of tree is it?
I don't know. I feel like it's a Magnolia. I don't know what those are, but it sounds like it's
You're right.
was?
Magnolia.
No way.
You're smart.
Wow. It's all in there. I didn't even know it.
Packed with knowledge.
It's just in there. I had to get a picture of those. So pretty. I feel like it feels very southern.
The cottage garden. It's all labeled for you.
Pretty. It's a big flower tree. I love it. So pretty.
Christmas fern?
That can't be right.
I don't know. Hinoki cypress.
Apparently there's a page called,
Glory of the snow, maybe that's
maybe that's it. It's like a little fairy garden, it looks like. Doesn't it?
well, yeah.
With the tree, it looks like a fairy garden.
Yeah. Dawn redwood.
What does that show? Avatar?
Sandy's garden bed.
I want to get a picture of that pink too. Pink azalea.
Cornell pink azalea.
I'll take my purse off because it hangs on me.
Would you give me that purse?
Hi.
Pretty. Hey, look, there's another magnolia over there.
Oh my gosh, so pretty. Looks like a weeping, whatever, cherry tree or something.
Look at this little garden. Rainbow.
I think that's it. Looks like the apple tree we used to have. That's a stand. I'm doing it. Okay.
Ooh, look at all these.
Cool. Let me get a picture of this. We should have Magnolia tree.
Magnolia. It is quite lovely and peaceful here. This is a Loebner magnolia.
They're so pretty. This would be pretty at the yard, wouldn't it? It'd like make a little bit of a mess, but
I wonder what, yeah, but I wonder what the regular leaves look like.
let's look it up. I love it. It feels so southern. I feel like I'm in the south.
What's this? Moon carrot.
Oh. I would love to plant those if we didn't have so many deer
Yeah.
eating our stuff. Another kind of magnolia. A softer magnolia. Oh, it's not even a Rose of Sharon. Something else. I like this tree better. I don't want the Rose of Sharon. I want this one.
Okay.
Wow.
Done and done.
Thank you.
Now let's go into the Castina Lente.
I wonder if it's open. They usually have the door to open it. Must be all the tropical stuff.
The Queen Palm.
It's gonna outgrow the room.
Tea Camellia.
Cool. That'd be cool to have a room like this.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Wow.
Shell
Leon will
ginger.
never get one.
Who's going to maintain it? So we are the peasants who maintain it.
Well, you know what? My mom, she loves plants.
Date palm.
Oh, it's like my mom's plant. She has like one like this. My mom loves gardening.
Snake plant. Whale fin snake plant.
Oh, look at the date palm. There's dates on it.
This is elaborate.
Very nice. The gift shop.
Gift shop. Oh look,
Oh my gosh, it has
there's your
lemon.
lemon tree.
Look. My mom has a lemon and a grapefruit and an orange tree. And the gift shop. You got your book?
New England Botanical Garden. There's a coffee pot.
A small handle though. Handle's not right. It has to be perfect.
Look at that size of that bee. Oh, they took your idea of the bee soap. See?
Where's the soap? Oh yeah. Toasted crumpet. What do you think?
Nice.
How much? $10.
Well, you know what you need to get? A grilled cheese book right there.
Bread and cheese.
Grilled cheese is becoming more and more popular. I see a lot of trucks, food trucks, grilled cheese trucks.
I don't know about that. I think it's too much. Seriously. I don't know if I can handle that. Maybe that.
Huh?
The classic breakfast one is okay. With macaroni and cheese in it? Come on.
Who knows? Maybe it's good.
You barely eat macaroni and cheese out of this. I want to put it in a sandwich.
I don't know. I do like me some grilled cheese.
Ooh, I like the open place. Cup though. Look at this cup. Isn't it cute? It's kind of heavy.
What is this? And what's this?
With the cream. There's that little tray like Ashley was looking for like her rings.
Paper, but they're actually soap in there. They're like little alternative soap.
Mango smells good.
Yeah. With dry
I'm gonna
hands,
try
place
this.
a sheet on your hands, add water and
These are
lather,
better.
rinse and dry.
Citrus
You
bergamot.
usually don't need all those fancy colors. This one smells good too.
Smells good.
It's very light. The tomato vine strawberry smell.
It's very nice. That's
Should I
very
get these two?
sure. I encourage it.
You encourage it.
and cream.
These are cute.
Hey, look, they got a strawberry shortcake chocolate. Strawberry shortcake chocolate.
I like more chocolate.
Native plants for New England gardens.
I've seen them.
Mini garden tools. Oh, that's cute. There's real dirt up there.
Look at the discount section. That's why it's there.
It doesn't smell good, huh?
More hands.
Seen everything? That was it, an hour and a half?
Yeah, 1.5 to 2 hours. Ooh, look at the view. I wonder what everybody's eating out here. The lunch rush is over.
I guess you could eat out here.
Look, this has carbonated water, apple cider. Yeah, so what do you think?
Well, I thought it was good. You have to come here early to get the spring stuff, and then you come later for the summer stuff.
Yeah. I love those magnolia trees.
Yeah,
They're my favorite.
they are nice.
I think I want some in my yard.
I'm sure you do.
It was very peaceful and the weather was nice. And we came later because it was too chilly this morning. But in the summer, I assume you'd come earlier.
Yeah.
All right, so what'd you think?
New England Botanical Garden is very peaceful. Very quiet and lots of open space to walk around. Some interesting, and they include the kids. And they have events for the kids, little exhibits for the kids. It's not just for adults. Kids can learn things. They can look at the signs.
Well, it's for everybody. There was a lot of older people here too.
Yeah.
It's for everyone.
Very interesting.
If you like nature.
Yeah.
Who doesn't?
It's not as blooming now as it is some of the more summertime flowers. But the springtime one, we've been in the summer and it's pretty. We always miss the spring.
Yeah.
So we wanted to see the daffodils and the magnolias and
The magnolia. I love
the tulips. Yeah.
it. Yeah.
So it's not as many, but it's still pretty. The field of daffodils was worth coming for, just to see that.
Nice. And the weather is nice. It's not too hot.
It doesn't seem like much, but just being there is like uplifting. It's like does something for your soul to be close to nature.
Does it?
It does.
So, what do you give it?
I don't know how fun it is. I mean, it's
It's like more peaceful and
I'd say like a 7.
it would be fun. Like kids running around, enjoying yourself, just enjoying. It's like a park that's beautiful.
The little kids,
Yeah, the older kids maybe.
10 and older, were like they don't care. I'm sure.
Well, unless some people are doing nature studies,
Yeah.
drawing.
Little kids, I think, would find it fun running around, seeing all this new stuff.
Yeah. And it's wheelchair accessible in some parts.
Yeah. It's very peaceful. I would say 7.
Yeah. I was thinking 8. But it's a small one, so I'd say it's 7. I've been to bigger ones.
Yeah.
A 7. 7 cookies. 7 daffodils.
Worth visiting.
Yeah.
Worth visiting.
All right. What do you think? That's good.
Yeah. I always
Anything
say
else to say? The
interesting
bathrooms were
ideas.
good.
Bathrooms are good. It's well supplied. It's well, a lot of amenities. Walking trails were good. They rate them good to easy to hard.
Yeah. And there were more trails. We just didn't do them. So you can do as much as you
They're
like.
expanding. But they are closing off more things than I remember. Like in that center oval thing down by the secret garden, you used to be able to walk on there. So I guess too many
Maybe
people
for
are
the
damaging
season? Yeah.
it. Maybe because it's spring, things are starting to grow. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. All right. Until the next treat.